Dear kids, welcome to the Luminaires. Let's shine bright together.
Assalamu Alaikum, my little friends. Welcome to Luminaires. Today we are going to learn something very special that we say every day. It's called Tauz and Tasmiyah. Are you ready? Let's start with a smile. Tauz. Do you know that whenever we want to stay safe from bad things, we ask Allah for help? This is called Tauz. We say, Aoodhu billāhi minash-shayṭānir-rajīm. Let's say it together.
Aoodhu billahi minash-shayṭānir-rajīm.
It means I seek refuge with Allah from the cursed Shaytan. Isn't that beautiful? Tasmiyah. Now, before starting any good deed, we say Tasmiyah. We say Bismillāhir-Raḥmānir-Raḥīm. Repeat after me.
Bismillāhir-Raḥmānir-Raḥīm.
It means, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This way, Allah helps us in whatever we do.
Bismillāhir-Raḥmānir-Raḥīm.
Great job, everyone! Always remember, starting with Tauz and tasmia makes our day full of blessings. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu Alaikum.